Here.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. On Saturday, I joined the Lieutenant Governor, the Minister of Parks, Culture and Sport, the member for Melville Saltcoats, and at the 69th Annual Yorkton Film Festival Golden Chief Awards. This is the longest-running film festival in North America and is an event the Yorkton community looks forward to each and every year. The evening was hosted by my former schoolmate, Alvin Law, now an internationally recognized author and inspirational speaker. Alvin has also done some acting and was featured on an episode of The X-Files years back. I should mention, Mr. Speaker, that Alvin has been able to achieve all this even though he's born with no arms. The event continues to attract local, provincial and national filmmakers, industry members and enthusiasts each and every year. The festival features more than 100 nominations in 23 categories, highlights how popular this event is for the industry. The Golden Chief Award has become a symbol of excellence in Canadian short film and is a coveted award for many Canadian filmmakers. The Government of Saskatchewan supports the festival in several ways through Saskatchewan Arts Board, SaskTel, funding from ArtsFest Saskatchewan, and the Ministry of Parks, Culture and Sport. Our government supports the film and television industry through Creative Saskatchewan, and since its inception, Creative Saskatchewan has invested more than $6 million into the industry. In closing, Mr. Speaker, I thank all of the businesses and private sponsors, as well as the City of Yorkton, for the support of this great event. I also congratulate winners and nominees and wish continued success to volunteers and organizers in the future. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.